Hello and welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Trendsend. Trendsend is a styling service brought to you by Evereve, a brick and mortar store. I live in New Jersey and there is only one Evereve in my state. So I prefer to do the Trendsends because getting to that Evereve is kind of like out of the way for me. I am a 2020 Style Pass holder, which means I think I purchased $100 at the beginning of the pandemic, and they granted me dollar boxes until the end of the year, plus an additional 10% off. I actually just recently emailed them to find out what the deal with that is, and like if I return this box quickly and reorder another box, is that 10% and $1 still guaranteed as long as I get it in before 12/31, because I kind of not too happy with this box. I am a peeker, and I also opened it up last night. I'm hoping that I can get another box for a dollar signing fee one more time. So I'm going to go through with you what I got. The first up is outfit number 1, and I had asked for some Varley items on sale. This is the Dahlia Jacket in black in a size small, and my stylist note specifically says she was going to size up for me. My price is $68.39, and the original price is $121, and it was marked down to $94.99. So I think, and I'm not positive, one of you might have used my referral link because my prices seem cheaper than what I would think they would be. So if somebody did, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So this Varley coat, it is not lined. Let me look at the material to see. It's a very nice coat. It has like a drawstring. It's pretty thick and heavy. 75% cotton, 20% polyester, 5% elastane. It has a drawstring waist. It has a hood. It is not detachable. It has a zip front, and it has 2 side pockets. And it's like a sweat jacket, and it's like a structured sweat jacket is the best way I can explain it. And it seems pretty warm to me. So I mean, this is like definitely something like you can wear to like run your errands or even back and forth to the gym. And not have to wear a winter coat if you're not going to be outside. You know, it's warm enough to quickly run out of the car and in. So this is a possibility. I'm going to have to see how it fits. So I was pretty surprised by that. And I think I mentioned it before. I don't have much in the way of things like this. So that is good. The next thing is Varley item, a pair of leggings called the Luna Egg leggings. They're red textured animal, size extra small, and they're $79.20. And wow, do these look tiny. I mean, these really look tiny. So we're gonna have to see how much these actually stretch on me. And to be honest, this is my least, I said I wanted Varley items and they were on sale, and there were a couple different Varley leggings I looked at. And I have to say, these are my least favorite out of them. I mean, they're okay. They're just, you know, I'm not going to say, oh, these are the most hideous things I've ever seen. They're not. They're just not my most favorites. So, I don't know. We'll have to see how they fit and whether or not I like them enough on me. I think the print might be a little bit too much for me, a little bit too busy. But we'll see. And then along with that, I got this tank. Let's see, this is the Parker Tunic Tank White Extra Small by Peyton, Jensen, $27.36. And it has a V-neck, and it has trim around the sleeves, and it's like in an ivory color. And it looks very flowy. I'll have to try it on. Right now, looking at it, the armpits look kind of big, but we'll see once I get it on and how it fits. Okay? So that's the first outfit. The next outfit, I have 2 tops and a pair of pants. First up are the Lara utility pant in black in a size 24 by level 99. Kayla, if you're watching, I think these are the black level 99s I think you wanted. So they have the jogger style bottom with the zipper side. 2 slash pockets in front, 2 working pockets in back, full button closure, belt loops. They're nice. I like them a lot, but I have black cargo pants already. I got 2 pairs of black jeans. I got plenty of black dress pants. I don't know. These are 92.16. I don't think I'm gonna keep these just because of the price, you know, and the fact that I have already. They're also a size 24, which, I mean, I know people say level 99 stretch out, but yikes, I don't know if it's gonna stretch out that much, so we'll see. With this, I got 2 different tops to mix and match. First up is this snake top. It is, let's see, the Layla Snake Top Brown size extra small by Allison Joy, $35.99. This is 90% polyester, 10% spandex. It has the smocking around the cuff. It just seems to have a regular crew neck. It is an extra small. I'll have to see how it looks on me. I'll be honest with you, it's okay. I mean, there's nothing, I have to see the way it looks on me. But looking at it and feeling it, the texture of it and everything, I would just say it's okay. It is kind of polyestery. If it were cotton knit, I'd probably be more inclined, or a really soft polyester. But this is, I wouldn't say it's a scratchy polyester, but it's not like a super soft one either. So that's the first thing with the pants. The next thing that I got with the pants is this, let's see, the Vagabond Sparkle Tank size extra small by Z Supply. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but this has like little sparkles in it, and it is extremely sheer, as you can see, and it has very long armpit holes. Sparkles really aren't much my thing, and the fact that this is sheer, I'm probably not going to keep it. It is $28.80, but I'll give it a shot. I'll try it on. You never know. And with it, and I definitely know I'm not going to keep this because I know it's not my style, is the Serena Distress Cardigan in Oxblood by Allison Joy. So as you can see, it's like all chewed up. It's like purposely distressed along the edges. Okay, and along the bottom, it's just completely a destroyed sweater. And yeah, that's not my style at all. And this is also 100% acrylic, which is also not my favorite fabric either. And this is $28.79. All right, so bummer on that. Now, last up is the Mika tie-dye berry jogger set, okay, by Chaser. So they gave me the sweatshirt, and the sweatshirt is $43.19, and they sent it in a size extra small. And this is cute. It is pretty boxy. I'll have to see how it sits on me. But I have to say, out of all the jogger sets that I've gotten and I've ordered, whether it been from Trunk Club, Evereve, wherever I got them from, this has to be the best quality. This has a thickness to it. It does not have a sweat material. I think it's what you call that French terry. Okay, and this is 90% cotton and 10% Serena, and I have no idea what Serena is. But this is a decent weight, you know what I'm saying? So at least for the price, it's $43 and what, 19 cents? Yes, $43.19. So for this sweatshirt, $43.19, and the quality of the fabric, I would say is not a bad deal at all. This is a nice quality feeling sweatshirt. Now the joggers, also by Chaser, in the same pattern called berry tie-dye. Again, these are $50.39. And again, they're substantial. They're not going to be see-through. They're the 2 front pockets. It has a pretty decent sized waistband. It has the matching drawstring, and it has a banded bottom. Now, I'm not so sure I'm gonna like these on me, but I have to say, for the price, this is a nice set. This is a nice set. I mean, it's not these paper thin things that, you know, people would see my underwear through. All right, so give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, up first is the Varley jacket, and I'm really disappointed in this, but you guys let me know. This, I would think, is the waist. However, it's right underneath my breasts. It's like on my rib cage. And I don't know if it's supposed to be there or not, but to me, this feels weird up here. To me, it should be down here, which is where my waist is. So let me know your thoughts on that. It almost feels like it runs short. And she also sized up to me because she did say this runs small. The arms are just, I think, too big for me. You know, I kind of feel this is kind of like a sleeker jacket and it should be like thinner arms. I don't know. I mean, this is a nice quality jacket and maybe it'd be good for somebody else, but I feel this fits me wonky. So I'm gonna have to pass on this because I really like it, but it seems to fit strange. Like I said, this to me should be the waist, not underneath my breasts, and my waist is down here. It's nice though. It's a nice quality jacket. This is kind of a bummer. All right, next I'm taking show you the tank, which there's nothing wrong with this tank. It's a very soft material. It's a little bit flowy. It seems fine under the armpits, which is good. You know, I don't think I need it. To be quite frank with you. I mean, it's nice. There's nothing wrong with it, but I'm not sure I actually need it in my closet. Okay, last up are the, I'll back up and also pan down in a minute, are the leggings, okay? They're very nylon-y and thin. So I kind of feel like these are something I can easily pull accidentally, you know? I mean, it has a nice wide waistband up the top. They were not as hard to get on as something like the Spanx, but not as easy to get on as something like the Lululemon ones that I've got. These are a fashion legging, not something that I would wear to the gym, all right? Let me pan down so you can see them a little bit better and see where they end on my legs, all right? They're an extra small. I don't think I would size up in these. They're a little bit snug, but I don't think I would size up in these because I think they would then be too big. Okay, so this is outfit number one. Give me a minute and I'll show you half of outfit number two. Okay, first up is the chewed up sweater cardigan. And I've always was told if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. So I'm not gonna go much further than this. Well, I will say this looks something to me that got pulled out of the washing machine and got destroyed by the washing machine. It doesn't seem a very good quality. I don't like the destroyed. It's not staying. Next is the sparkle tank, and this one surprised me. It looked to me like the armpits were huge, and it's actually very good in the armpits. So I'm actually kind of liking that aspect. What I don't like is this wideness here. This is too flowy for me. I feel like I'm pregnant. I don't like this kind of style where there's just this extra material here. I know people like flowy and that's the thing, not for me, okay? The level 99 pants, they button, they zip, but they're too small. You can see them pulling right here at the pockets. I just need a 25. I don't know why they keep sending me a 24 in these. Everybody says they stretch out, but these are like, they're skin tight on me. They're comfortable because there's a lot of stretch in them, but I wear a 25. I mean, I really cannot wear a 24. There's banding on the bottom. They're very comfortable. I have like I said, a pair of black cargo pants with zippers on the bottom already from Blank NYC that I got at Marshall's. So I just really can't justify another pair of black pants, casual zipper-like pants. They are cute though, so if you are looking for them, I would definitely recommend it. And obviously if you're in between sizes, definitely size down. But if you're like me, who's a solid 25 or solid whatever size you are, do not size down because I think they're just too snug looking, okay? All right, I'm gonna throw the snake top on with these pants, so just give me a minute. Okay, next is the snake top. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage in this. You know, it has the smock, and it has kind of like I'll show you up close, like a lettuce-like sleeve, and how the end is kind of like a little rippled here because of the smocking. So I like that aspect. It's cute. You know, it has a crew neck. Not much else about it. The sleeves are the most distinguishing thing. They are kind of loose in the arms. I wouldn't call them a balloon sleeve necessarily, but they are loose in the arms. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage on how this fits me, but feeling it on my body, I mean, I haven't seen it even in a mirror yet. I'm thinking it just doesn't do me any justice, but I will look back at the footage and I'll make my choice there. But let me know what you think, all right? Last up is the sweat outfit. Okay, last up is the Chaser Jogger set. And like I said, I cannot say enough good things about the quality of this jogger set. This has to be, out of every one that I've tried on thus far, the nicest quality one. You know, it has some thickness and some weight. It doesn't feel like it would fall apart, look like a rag in no time. This has nice quality to it. And there's no sweat on the inside. It's more of like a French terry, but it's not thin and see-through. It's nice. You know, I think it fits okay. You know, it has pockets, drawstring. This is the back of it. I still don't know, especially with the tie-dye. I was really looking for something a little bit more versatile, something I could just throw on and, you know, when I'm home, and then if I needed to go out, it wouldn't be an embarrassment. So I was thinking more of a solid color that doesn't look like pajamas. So I'm not so sure I'm gonna keep this, although it is cute. I just don't see myself pulling for it because it is so unique and so noticeable, you know? I mean, it would be something I'd be either throwing on before a shower to like maybe drop my kid off at school and, oh, I gotta run to Target real quick. Nothing that I would wear, you know, as a fashion piece, you know? So I don't think I'm gonna keep this, but I do say it is very nice. So that is it. Let me know what your thoughts are. I really am upset about that Varley jacket and might try it on again to see if I can tolerate that string being up here. I don't know what to think of that. You guys let me know. Is the string supposed to be up below your bust, or is it supposed to be around your waist? So you know, I'm very sad about that jacket because I really like that jacket. I have to look back at the footage to see the snakeskin top. The joggers are out. That ripped up sweater is out. I can't justify buying the tank tops. I just really don't need them. And if I don't keep that jacket, I don't think I would keep the leggings either. The only thing I really was hoping for was that jacket and maybe the snakeskin top. But let me know your thoughts. Thank you again for your returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. Click that notification bell while you're at it. It helps my channel. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. And take care, and until next time.